Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today's prep item of the week, flannel baby blankets. Anybody recognize this? If you've had a baby in the hospital, especially around here in South Mississippi, this seems to be the norm for baby blankets. So what are we doing with baby blankets? About 3 years ago, a lady sent me flannel cutout pieces here that I use as family cloths. Now I use them in place of toilet paper for the wet stuff, okay? These are 3 years old. I've used them every day for 3 years. The lady that sent them hemmed the back. She cut them in these, I think it's 5 by 8 sections. I'd have to measure to make sure. I think they're 5 by 8. And she hemmed the backs, okay? She sent me about, there was 25 or 30 of them. Great. Saved a lot of toilet paper that way because I use mine all the time. Well, I took these baby blankets, and if you've got pinking shears, you don't have to hem. You can take and pink these things, cut them in these little zigzaggedy edges, and you've got your own cloths, flannel, good, wash, they don't ravel. So that's what I've been doing with these. You've got white, works great. Pieces of flannel material. If you've got kids, you might want to have their own because some kids are kind of funny about this kind of stuff. But stripes works. This blanket had little purple, pink flowers. Kids love this kind of stuff. And again, I zigzagged. If you can find material that is thick, like this is kind of a quilted material. This will absorb well. If you are women that have, or girls that need pads, you can use this and put it in between two of these as an absorbent pad and sew them together. So this type material, a quilted type material that can go in between. So do not throw those old quilts out. Again, a whole bunch of these. The orange and red stripes. And the pink and shears work great, guys. And then blue. I found this and this. They're blue stars on this one, just blue here. Guys, you don't have to use all that toilet paper when you have a bucket beside you with a little bit of, I use On Guard. I like the On Guard cleaner in it. It kills germs, it kills smell. I can let this go for a week and then wash my cloths, and that strong ammonia smell is not there. It's awesome. So you could use bleach, you can use Pine Sol, whatever you want, and it works really, really great. And like I said, mine are 3 years old. Been using them religiously, and I love it. Guys, this is my prep item this week. And hey, even this could be used as bandages. You never know when you've got animals that you need something, you would have this handy. Look those sale racks, especially at secondhand places. That's where I found most of these. I got them for 50 cents. So those little receiving blankets, the baby blankets that are felt, hang on to them. You might need them one day. So that's my prep item this week, flannel and baby blankets. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.